Here's how to use Ivanti's Windows 10 to 11 migration bot. With Windows 10 coming end of support in October 2025, it's getting to be time for a lot of organizations to carry out upgrades to Windows 11. That's what this bot is designed to do, and while we won't go through every stage of the automation, you can see the main categories here. The bot can measure the DEX score of a given device that's currently running Windows 10. It can perform a Windows 11 readiness assessment to make sure the device is compatible. It can autonomously interact with an end user to schedule an update, allowing the user to defer that update as needed. And it can check that there's enough disk space and the device is connected to AC power before it downloads and executes the update. For devices that are getting upgraded, this is what those automated messages would look like for a user. The bot can give an explanation first, then ask you whether you want to perform the upgrade now or later. If the user ignores that message, as well as the next reminder, then the bot will let them know the upgrade is happening. At that point, the Windows 11 installation assistant will take over. And finally, when it's all said and done, they'll see this: upgrade complete, and a whole lot faster than if you went and did all of these updates manually.